Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a nostalgic ride back to one of the most iconic cars of the 1950s, the 1958 Chevrolet Impala. This was the year Chevrolet introduced the Impala nameplate, a car that would go on to become a true American classic. So, let's take a closer look at its exterior, interior, performance, and see why this beauty still turns heads over 6 decades later. Let's get started. The 1958 Chevrolet Impala made its debut as a top-of-the-line model in Chevrolet's lineup, positioned above the Bel Air. Right away, it stood out with its bold, sweeping design. Exterior. On the exterior, the car featured Chevrolet's all-new body style for 1958, longer, lower, and wider than ever before. Its most recognizable features include the dual headlamps, the large chrome grille, and the dramatic rear end with those triple tail lights, a styling cue that would become a signature of the Impala name for years to come. The car also showcased sculpted side panels, plenty of chrome trim, and elegant jet-inspired details that captured the optimistic, space-age spirit of the 1950s. The 1958 Impala came in both coupe and convertible versions, and each one had that unmistakable presence, part luxury, part performance, and completely stylish. It was the kind of car that made people stop and stare as it cruised by on Main Street. Interior. Moving to the interior, the 1958 Impala was all about comfort and class. Inside, you were greeted by a wide, wraparound dashboard that combined elegance with functionality. The two-tone color schemes, chrome accents, and stylish instrument cluster gave the cabin a truly upscale feel. The Impala's seats were wide and plush, often finished in premium vinyl or cloth materials with intricate stitching patterns. Even the details, like the steering wheel design and the optional clock, were crafted to reflect the sophistication of the late 50s. The interior offered plenty of room for 6 passengers, making it not just a car for style, but also for family cruising. Performance. Now let's talk about performance, because the 1958 Impala wasn't just a pretty face. Under the hood, buyers could choose from several engine options, ranging from the reliable inline-6 to the powerful turbo-thrust 348 cubic inch V8, Chevrolet's first big block engine. The 348 produced up to 315 horsepower, which was impressive for the era. This power was delivered through either a 3-speed manual, a 4-speed manual, or the 2-speed Powerglide automatic transmission. With the V8, the Impala offered smooth acceleration, confident highway cruising, and that deep, throaty exhaust note that defined the American muscle era to come. The car's suspension was tuned for a soft, comfortable ride, but it still handled surprisingly well for a full-size vehicle of its time. Wide whitewall tires and optional power steering added to the effortless driving experience. Now, let's wrap it up with a conclusion. The 1958 Chevrolet Impala wasn't just another car, it was a statement. It marked the beginning of one of Chevrolet's most famous and longest-running nameplates. With its distinctive design, elegant interior, and solid performance, the 58 Impala represented the perfect blend of style, power, and prestige. Today, it's one of the most collectible Chevrolets ever built, prized by classic car enthusiasts for its rarity and beauty. Whether parked at a car show or cruising down the boulevard, the 1958 Impala remains a timeless symbol of America's golden age of automobiles. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into classic car history, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Until next time, keep your engines running and your passion for classics alive.